Good morning, everyone. I would like to start with this question. Do you have skill issue? If the answer is yes, then our project is built exactly for that problem. We present Skill Issue, an AI-powered skill building manager designed to help learners gain clarity over their goals and make steady progress towards them. Instead of letting users feel lost in endless courses, videos, and resources, our platform creates a clear and structured path. The problem today is simple. Self-learners often jump between multiple platforms like YouTube, Coursera, or Udemy without a roadmap. This creates confusion, low motivation, and unfinished courses, and eventually leading to burnout. Many people start strong, but without accountability or progress tracking, they lose momentum. Our solution is simple. It is to transform scattered learning into a guided journey. The process is simple. A user enters a long-term goal, such as becoming a web developer or learning graphic design. Then our website breaks that goal into manageable milestones and creates a weekly learning plan. This way, learners always know what to study next. Skill Issue does not replace learning platforms. Instead, it works alongside them. It helps users organize their learning, track study time, complete weekly tasks, and stay accountable until they finish what they started. We also focus on mental well-being through mood check-ins and AI-based suggestions. The system can adapt to plans whenever user feels overwhelmed, stuck, or misses sessions. This helps reduce burnout and keeps learning sustainable. Our target audience includes students, developers, career switchers, and anyone learning independently online. With the rise of self-learning culture, online education, and AI personalization, the timing for this solution is perfect. Our project is built using modern technologies such as React, TypeScript, Node.js, Supabase, PostgreSQL, Python, and AI integration. From a business perspective, we use a scalable freemium subscription model. Free users get basic planning and tracking, while premium users unlock advanced AI features, insights, and adaptive scheduling. Future expansion can also include partnerships with universities and training institutes. In short, Skill Issue is more than an app. It's a personal learning manager that helps people turn ambition into achievement. Thank you. So this is our homepage. Over here, at first the user needs to create an account in order for them to sign in. So after they create an account with their email and password, then they can sign in. So for easier access, let's use Google to authenticate. I will select an account. And over here we are logged in. So on the page, at first what we will do is we will set our goal. Let's say we set our long-term goal as I want to be a full stack web developer and AI engineer. So let's select both these goals at the same time. I will save the goal and I can edit the number of available study hours per week. So let's say I want to study 25 hours per week. So I will save the goal, and then now I need to select on AI breakdown. So it will break down my goal into multiple modules which I need to follow in order to achieve that goal. The server sometimes does an internal error, but it will be all right now. So now it has given me the modules that I need to complete, or the things that I need to learn in order to achieve my end goal. So it shows me this following 5 modules, and I can also add manually. So let's say I want to learn let's say CNN, etc. So I can add that goal as well. So it shows me this goal. Now what I need to do is I can generate a weekly plan based on the goals that I have generated already. So now I would sometimes takes a bit amount of time in order to generate a weekly plan. So there we go. So it has generated a weekly plan based on the 25 hours that I have already given it. So it shows me that on Monday, April 27th, I need to complete or learn these following things, and then on April 28th, I need to learn these things, and then on 29th. So it has given me an entire weekly plan based on the things that I need to learn. Now I can learn them from any open source resources. I can learn them from YouTube, I can learn them from any course, but I just need to follow the module. And then after I learn something, I can add them over here. So let's say I learn about HTML tags. So let's say I learn them for 60 minutes or 1 hour. So it goes, it aligns with my full stack web development fundamentals, and then I can save the session. So I did a 1 hour session, and let's say I also learned about, GitHub merging and branching. So let's say it took me around 3 hours to learn. It will go on the same version control. So I will click save session. So this week I did 4 hours of session, which means I did 2 sessions of learning, and they will be reflected when I go to my goals. So it shows that for version control I have completed 5%, and for full stack web development, in my full stack web development journey I have completed 5%. I can manually add those sessions, and on the weekly plan they will show this. And after I learn, let's say today I learned Python programming fundamentals, I can also add them through this checkbox. So if I tick on this, so it will be selected off. So let's say I complete all the tasks for today, and it will be updated on the sessions as well. So it will show the total number of sessions that I did, the things that I learned, and it will also give the progress bar over here. Then finally, we have our dashboard. In the dashboard, it will show how many active goals we have, the tasks that we have for today, the total number of hours we need to complete, and it will show today's tasks as well. So since it's the first day of the week, it will show the weekly data in a chart, and then it will show the recent sessions that I completed. And also I can do a weekly check-in. How am I feeling? Let's say I'm very highly motivated, energized, and I have maximum amount of energy, so I will just log check-in. So it will be further used for doing a sentiment analysis. That's how it will reschedule. And also I can reschedule a task. For example, on April 28th, I feel tired, so I don't feel like doing it, so I can reschedule it. So clicking on here, it will reschedule the task. A lighter version task has been moved up here. So it will be rescheduled to on any other day. So that's how we will be tracking our skill sessions, and we will be learning. That's all.